Hi, I've been reading about machine learning lately, and something called semi-supervised learning caught my attention. What is that exactly?
Great question. Semi-supervised learning is a machine learning approach that combines a small amount of labeled data with a large amount of unlabeled data to build more accurate models.
Why would we mix labeled and unlabeled data?
Think of labeling data as giving clear instructions, like naming colors for a child. It's time-consuming and expensive. Unlabeled data, on the other hand, is abundant but lacks clarity. Semi-supervised learning uses the small labeled set to guide and structure the predictions for the unlabeled data.
Oh, I see. So it's like having a few examples to teach a bigger group of unknowns.
Exactly. Imagine a teacher showing a class a few worked-out math problems. The students use those examples to figure out the rest.
Interesting analogy, but how does it work technically?
There are several methods, but the essence lies in leveraging patterns in unlabeled data. One popular technique is self-training, where the model trains on labeled data first, predicts labels for the unlabeled data, and iteratively refines itself using those predictions.
Sounds clever. Are there any specific use cases where this shines?
Definitely. Semi-supervised learning is widely used in areas like speech recognition, where manually labeling hours of audio is impractical, and image classification, especially for medical scans, where expert labeling is costly.
But are there any challenges to this approach?
Oh yes. One challenge is error propagation. If the model makes mistakes early on with unlabeled data, those errors can multiply. Another is the need for a good balance between the labeled and unlabeled data.
Makes sense. So is this somewhere between supervised and unsupervised learning?
Exactly. Supervised learning relies heavily on labeled data, while unsupervised doesn't use any. Semi-supervised is the middle ground, combining the strengths of both.
This seems like a practical solution for real-world data problems. Any advice for someone looking to implement this?
Start simple. Try using a framework like PyTorch or TensorFlow that supports semi-supervised methods. And always evaluate your model carefully to avoid amplifying errors.
Got it. Thanks for breaking it down so well.
Anytime. Keep exploring. Machine learning is all about asking the right questions.